you have the Koso digital dash. In order to set the speedometer, you have to put in the circumference of your tire. So let's do that. I'm going to show you how to do it right now live on the camera. And I'm also going to be putting the settings where I found this information at. And hey, let's get to the video. Alright, this is how you change it. Hold down both buttons. In the setup. The clock. Let's go back the other way. You want to get to the speedometer. Tires circumference is the first one. Mine is 1884, so let's select it by holding down this button. Alright, so I'm at the first digit blinking. Make this to a 1 by selecting the left bottom. I want to move it over, so I'm just going to click here. Make this an 8. Select here again, move it over. This is an 8. Select here. Last one, gonna make it a 4. This is my front tire circumference. Set. So I'm going to turn it off. So now I'm going to turn it back on and let's test it and let's check it out. Now you hold down the bottom left button to get the screen to come back on normal. So now let's go test it out. Okay, so I've changed the circumference of my wheel. But I notice it's still off according to the GPS. So right now I'm going 35 on my speedometer, but if you notice that the Cheeky is saying around 28 miles per hour. So it's getting closer, but it's not quite there. And what it was explained to me in the article that I'm sharing with you all is that your tires wear down and that can change the speed. So this is usually a radar right here, but it's not working today. Okay, so my speed limit is 30. It's saying 36 on the Chigi and like 44. So it's still like a 9 miles difference. 11-mile difference. So I may have to go in and play with the numbers, possibly decrease them or increase them. I don't know. I'm going to have to find out which way I need to go. And there are some other settings, some things I really just don't know. So I need to find out what those mean. Yeah, the speed limit is way off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna change the number. I'm gonna see what happens if I decrease it. So right now it's giving me a number that's a whole lot higher. So if I put a smaller number in as far as the circumference, then they'll say I'm getting around faster. So let me stop and do that right quick. Now we're gonna do that in the shade. The adjustments for a speedometer. Whew, there we go. And I think that I can just put the kickstand down. I think I can just, yeah, maybe I can't cut the bike off, so see if we can change this real quick. Okay, we're back in. So let's put in 1800. All right, let's see. I changed the circumference to 1800. Now that's saying it's a smaller tire, which means your revolution should come around a little bit faster. So let's see what this does to the dash. Oh my. We getting close. It is now about 4 miles off. Oh yeah, we're getting closer. Yep, 5 miles, 6 miles, 5, 6 miles. All right, so then I took it. Now I took a lot out. I took it down to 1800. I took out 84 to get 10. About 10 out. Wow. So if I take half of that, so let me do like 1750. Yeah, it's not that far off at all right now. And by the way, when you look at the article, it's giving approximates. You know, say, well, your tires are approximately this and your tires are approximately that. And understanding that your tire does wear down, which can change the circumference. Ooh. Oh, that's spot on. Look, it's learning. Oh. Okay, wait a minute. Let's ride it. Let's see if it learns. Yeah, it's still off. So I'm gonna change it to 1750. Right? You know what? I'm gonna put in 1700. Sensor point. Okay, I put sensor point 1. I don't know what that means. I'm going to look that up. Oh, that's way off. Alright, so that sensor point has something to do with it. I changed it from 8 to 1. And man, this thing is crazy. Look at it, it's at 144 and I'm going 16 miles per hour. So the sensor position definitely has something to do with it. So it was on 8. So I'm gonna change it back. I'm gonna go back, put this back to 1750 like I wanted to. Sensor position. Put that back on. Put it on 9. Let's see what happens. Let's see. I put it on learn. This is some experimenting here. Engineering with digital dash. And I may have to put it back on 8, put it back on 1884, and then let it learn. I didn't realize I had to do all that. That's all right. You all are learning with me. Now I changed my ratio to tire. I changed the sensor point, whatever that is. So your boy got to do some learning. Worst come to worst, I put back in the 1884, put my tire, put that sensor back to 8, do another learn and run it and see how it does. Because it wasn't that far off from that point. And maybe the bike told it what to do. So we're gonna find out. There we go. All right, let's see what it did. Oh, look like we might have a winner. Yes, indeed. Yeah, looks like we might have a winner, you all. Look at that. So right there, my speedometer is showing 1 mile faster than the GPS. If I'm gonna go with something, it will probably be the speedometer, because the figure GPS might have to get a signal. So I'm gonna go down, make a left, come back up the hill, do it against that radar, and let's see exactly where we are. Oh yeah, nice. Man, it's only showing 3 miles difference. I might have to go with it. Right there is 1 mile. So it's like spot on. That's the radar I want to use right there. So I'll make a U-turn right here. When I hold it steady, I notice it's 1 or 2 miles faster on my dash. But I'll take that. Alright, so your boy's gonna go back and learn up some more about the sensor, and because what I don't want to do is change my sensor settings and it's not what it's supposed to be. So in that rate, I would have to just keep playing with the circumference of my tire, knowing that the circumference is going to change as the tire wears down. But anyway, if you have the Koso digital dash, that's what you need to do. Oh man, look at that. That's almost spot on when we come to a stop. All right, man, so you all learn right along with you, boy. Oh, nice. All right. I learned other information about the sensor. So look, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Give your brother that thumbs up. Hey, keep watching the channel. So for Platinum and your boy Hammer, hey, we out. Peace.